All right, big breaking news coming in. Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified. This comes as Rahul Gandhi has been convicted 2 years in prison for a 2019 defamation case. This now has turned into his disqualification as per a 2013 Supreme Court order that says any elected representative who's been convicted for up to 2 years in prison should be disqualified with immediate effect. Rahul Gandhi has now been disqualified. This is big news and update coming in, and it appears this is precisely the apprehension that Congress netas may have had after we saw huge protests that were rolled out by the Congress leaders condemning this conviction, calling this a way to suppress Rahul Gandhi's voice. Whatever said, Rahul Gandhi has now been disqualified as per a 2013 Supreme Court order that clearly states any elected representative, MP or MLA who is convicted for up to 2 years in prison should be disqualified with immediate effect. Big development coming in. Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified. In fact, he was convicted by a Surat court in a 2019 defamation case where Rahul Gandhi had said that those thieves, why are all the thieves having common surname Modi? This was what he said in Hindi, and this was taken with serious objection by the Modi community in Gujarat. A defamation case was filed, and right after he was convicted for 2 years in prison, got immediate bail, and now we hear that Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified. Huge development coming in. Notification that comes in on Rahul Gandhi's disqualification. In fact, this was precisely the fear that the Congress workers may have had, which is why they upped the ante and a massive protest was launched. In fact, the Lok Sabha Secretariat, the Parliament House, a notification clearly stating that Rahul Gandhi, the Wayanad MP, has been disqualified from the membership of the Lok Sabha from the state of his conviction, the date of his conviction as 23rd of March 2023. In terms of the provision of Article 102(1)(e) of the Constitution of India, reading with Section 8 of the Representatives of People Act 1951. Big development coming in. Palmi Saha joining us with that. Palmi, Rahul Gandhi has been disqualified. Precisely the fear that the Congress had, which is why they may have rolled out these massive protests outside the Parliament and the Congress office today. But it appears that there was no time given for Rahul Gandhi to appeal in the same case. He's now been disqualified. A clear notification coming in from the Parliament House, the Lok Sabha Secretariat.
That's right. In fact, this is a big blow for the Congress party. Expect the Congress party to mount more protests in the wake of this decision which has been taken by the Lok Sabha Speaker's office. This is, of course, as per norms and protocols, Nabila. The protocol as far as the Representation of People's Act clearly states that any MP, MLA, MLC who stands convicted and sentenced to 2 years or more will be disqualified from their membership. There, of course, was a provision within the norms and procedures which gave a 3-month window to these convicted MPs, MLAs or MLCs to in fact protest that decision, because they could go ahead and appeal their conviction in a higher court. So that window was available, so the disqualification proceedings couldn't be initiated in those circumstances. But the of the Supreme Court in 2013 on the 10th of July, which is the Lily Thomas versus Union of India case, which was earlier being cited yesterday by the BJP and the central government representatives as well, which basically, in fact, did away with this window, 3-month window, said that the disqualification of the member of parliament or legislator has to be immediate. And as far as them, seeking any sort of legal remedy or recourse is concerned, considering their conviction, they can keep going ahead and doing that. But the disqualification be done with immediate effect. So that is the precedent which was set. That was the precedent which was used this year as well, when Abdullah Azam Khan, son of Azam Khan, was in fact removed as member of the UP Assembly. He represented the Rampur Assembly seat. He was, in fact, his MLA-ship was taken away after he was convicted in a case and was, in fact, sentenced to imprisonment. His disqualification from the UP Assembly was immediate. He can keep seeking legal recourse, trying to correct the decision, appeal the decision of the lower court, which is what Rahul Gandhi is likely to do as well.